Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ADHD alarm clock is probably one of the most helpful tools for individuals with ADHD to manage their time and improve their daily routines, offering a variety of features designed to gently rouse users from sleep and promote a more consistent wake-up schedule, ultimately leading to increased productivity and a better quality of life. Number 5. Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock. It gently wakes you up with a simulated sunrise, starting softly and gradually increasing in brightness over 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Choose from 7 natural sounds to complete your perfect wake-up experience. It features 2 independent alarms, perfect for couples or families. Set different wake-up times for weekdays and weekends, and enjoy a 9-minute snooze option. It offers 7 calming colors and 20 adjustable brightness levels for the light. You can also adjust the brightness of the LED time display or turn it off completely. It includes an FM radio with automatic station scanning and manual tuning. Wake up to your favorite radio station or one of 7 other alarm sounds. It also serves as a bedside lamp or night light, providing soft, adjustable illumination for nighttime feedings, bathroom trips, or reading. What we like. It gradually brightens to mimic a sunrise, making waking up gentler. It also has 2 alarms, perfect for couples or families with different schedules. If you value a natural and peaceful wake-up experience, this is for you. What people say. Getting up in the morning has never really been difficult for me. I am an early bird for sure. I hadn't slept in past 9 in probably 5 years. In the summer I usually bound out of bed as the sun rises. In the winter? Not so much. It is dark and cold and even the most gentle alarm from my phone would jar me awake. I have had this alarm for about 2 weeks now and it is the dead of winter and I have woken up feeling refreshed every morning, which translates to more energy and focus throughout my day. The artificial sunlight works great and the light it produces looks very natural. It's also nice that you can set the sunlight to start anywhere between 10 to 60 minutes before the alarm goes off. The light will start at a dim red and will gradually become brighter as the alarm gets closer to going off. I have my first sunlight set to start 60 minutes before the alarm goes off and I find myself waking up a few minutes before my alarm goes off every day. You can adjust the brightness of the display, the wake-up light, the volume, choose the alarm tone from several options. It's perfect for people who cannot stand the blaring usual alarm tones. I wake up similing. Number 4. Loud Alarm Clock with Bed Shaker. It has 3 innovative alarm methods, a loud buzzer, a powerful bed shaker, or both. Choose your preferred wake-up style for a reliable start to your day. The extra-long wired bed shaker is designed to be placed under your mattress for a strong, yet gentle wake-up vibration. Adjust the volume to your liking for a personalized experience. Set 2 separate alarms, perfect for couples or roommates with different schedules. Enjoy a 9-minute snooze if needed, or turn it off completely. The large 7.5-inch LED display is crystal clear, even from across the room. Adjust the brightness to suit your needs, from low light for nighttime to bright for daytime. It runs on AC power, but the backup battery ensures your alarm settings are saved during a power outage. The alarm will still sound, even without power. Conveniently charge your phone overnight with the built-in USB port. Easily switch between 12-hour and 24-hour time formats. It's simple to use for all ages, making it a great addition to any bedroom. The modern design and updated features make it a perfect gift for family and friends. What we like. This alarm clock packs a powerful punch with its extra loud buzzer and vibrating bed shaker. The large display is easy to read from across the room. If you're a heavy sleeper or have hearing difficulties, this is the alarm clock for you. What people say. This alarm clock uses 2 AAA batteries as backup during power outage. AAA batteries are cheaper and less bulky than 9V batteries that my old alarm clock used to use. The display is bigger and brighter than my old alarm clock's display. It has 2 alarm buttons, Alarm 1 and Alarm 2, so that you can set 2 different alarm times. Number 3. Clocky Alarm Clock. Say goodbye to oversleeping. It's the extra loud alarm clock that literally runs away until you get up. It's designed for even the deepest sleepers. The loud alarm and vibrating movements will ensure you wake up on time, every time. No more hitting snooze. It's the perfect solution for those who need that extra push to start their day feeling refreshed. Looking for a fun and practical gift? It's a great choice for anyone, making it ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. With Clocky, there's no snooze button. It rolls away, forcing you to get out of bed and start your day. It's more than just an alarm clock, it's a fun and effective way to conquer those mornings. Get yours today. What we like. This unique alarm clock literally runs away on wheels, forcing you to get out of bed to silence it. It's super loud and has no snooze function. If you need a fun and effective way to wake up, this is the one for you. What people say. Clocky's convulsions and blaring beeps and bloops will send the average person scrambling to stop it. Clocky is accurate and reliable. I know the time at a glance. Clocky is easy to use. The 6 control buttons are clearly marked and intuitive. Clocky is a marvel of industrial design. The wheels have a rubberized coating, and it does indeed zoom around chaotically very well. It's well weighted to right itself and keep the display upright. Number 2. Hatch Restore 1, 2020. This is Hatch Restore 1, your all-in-one sleep solution. It's a sound machine, sunrise alarm, and so much more, all designed to help you sleep better and wake up refreshed. Create a personalized sleep and wake-up routine that works for you. It guides you through a relaxing bedtime routine and gently wakes you with a sunrise simulation. It comes with a variety of nature sounds and white noise to help you fall asleep quickly. For even more content, check out the Hatch Sleep membership. Control it easily using the soft touch buttons on the device or with our free companion app on your smartphone. It's simple and convenient. It requires Bluetooth for initial setup and a stable Wi-Fi connection for continued use. Remember, it needs to be plugged in to work. A new and improved version, Hatch Restore 2, is now available on Amazon. Check it out for even more features. What we like. It's more than just an alarm clock, it's a complete sleep system. It features calming sounds and a gradual sunrise to help you fall asleep and wake up refreshed. If you prioritize a holistic sleep experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It has been a long time since I've woken up in a peaceful way. Many alarm clocks are jarring for me, since I'm a light sleeper. I feel like I'm being pulled out of the layers of sleep rather than being yanked into awareness. I've enjoyed that this alarm has a sunrise setting. This feature has assisted in my subconscious awakening before I'm fully ready to wake up. When I am ready to wake up, I feel more at peace, awake, and aware of my surroundings without feeling the need to instantly reach for coffee. There are over several different sunrises as well as tone colors to choose from, ranging from natural incandescent lighting to pastel and vivid tones. Number 1. Vivilumens Sunrise Alarm Clock. Start your day peacefully with its wake-up light feature. It gradually brightens, simulating a sunrise to gently awaken you. Say goodbye to jarring alarms. It offers customizable dual-mode alarms, so you and your partner can set different wake-up times. You can even choose 12-hour or 24-hour time display. Drift off to sleep with one of its 10 calming sounds. Set a timer for 30, 60, or 90 minutes of tranquil sounds and a soft night light. It features 3 brightness levels, so you can customize the light to your preference. Whether you want a soft night light or a brighter wake-up light, it's all possible. Even heavy sleepers will appreciate its snooze mode, gradual volume increase, and 9-minute power nap function. It ensures a smooth transition from sleep to wakefulness. It includes a USB charging port, making it easy to charge your phone overnight. Wake up refreshed and ready to go. What we like. This alarm clock combines a gentle sunrise simulation with a variety of soothing sounds. The dimmable light is perfect for creating a relaxing bedtime atmosphere. If you want a versatile alarm clock with customizable features, this is a great option. What people say. It is a wonderful sound machine, alarm, 2 choices, and increasing light that is uniquely an artsy piece. Lamp and alarm clock all in one with attractive design. The noise selections all have good sounds, which was delightfully surprising. The ability to adjust the digital clock number readout brightness is also a nice feature for room darkening or brightening, easy to change for daytime or night brightness. The digital numbers alone can be bright for daytime or function as a night light or progressively dark for subtle to no light. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.